Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add up a little bit of unique in your home decor, and that with bit of decoupage. Are you ready for it? Let's get started. You're gonna need some styrofoam balls, styrofoam disc, some decorative rope, some stamps, hot glue. Glue the decorative rope onto your styrofoam ball. Be careful because hot glue is hot, so don't get burned yourself like I did many times. Next step, take out some air drying clay and roll it out. Make sure it fits your ornament and then apply some stamp on it. I have chosen a slot one and a panda bear one. Apply a good pressure on your stamp and then carefully remove it so you don't ruin your design on the clay. Next step, grab yourself a glue. I am using express glue from Pentart and applied it on your styrofoam disc or whatever ornament you are putting your clay on, and then carefully apply your clay with the image onto your ornament. Then go ahead and remove the excess clay from the ornament around. Do the same with the other stamp as well and apply it on the other side of the ornament. Next, I have decided to jazz up my rope ornaments, so I am applying a clay flower onto it on the top. Let the clay dry best overnight and then apply some acrylic paints onto it. As you can see, I have chosen a pink one. Some brown paint and some yellow paint as well. Let it dry. Same with this ornament, let it dry best overnight and then go on and paint it. As you can see, I have painted it with some beige, some pink, some green and some brown color as well. Next step, I am making a bow with my trusted Pro Bow the hand, which is so much easier for me to make a great bow. fluff your bow out. Don't forget to varnish your ornaments. And here they are, some cute, unique decorations for your wreath and lantern swag. As you can see, I made a cute little lantern swag for a friend with this. So let me know, how do you like it and what would you like to see next maybe. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, please do subscribe. Next one will be maybe a wreath, maybe a decoupage ornament, who knows.